Hi, this is William, and today we're going to finish our SEO website navigation basics, and this is, of course, part 2. So create a naturally flowing hierarchy. Make it as easy as possible for users to go from general content to the more specific content they want on your site. Add navigation pages when it makes sense and effectively work these into your internal link structure. Avoid creating complex webs of navigation links, e.g. linking every page on your site to every other page, and avoid going overboard with slicing and dicing your content. Use mostly text for navigation. Controlling most of the navigation from page to page on your site through text links makes it easier for search engines to crawl and understand your site. Many users also prefer this over other approaches, especially on some devices that might not handle Flash or JavaScript. Avoid having a navigation based entirely on drop-down menus, images, or animations. Many, but not all, search engines can discover such links on a site, but if a user can reach all the pages on a site via normal text links, this will improve the accessibility of your site. More on how Google deals with non-text files. For navigation, the focus should be on simplicity and ease of use. So put an HTML sitemap page on your site, and then use an XML sitemap file. A simple sitemap page or links to all pages are the most important pages. If you have hundreds or thousands on your site, can be useful. Creating an XML sitemap file for your site helps ensure that search engines discover the pages on your site. And avoid letting your HTML sitemap page become out of date with broken links. And avoid creating an HTML sitemap that simply lists pages without organizing them, for example by subject. Then have a useful 404 page. Users will occasionally come to a page that doesn't exist on your site, either by following a broken link or typing in the wrong URL. Having a custom 404 page that kindly guides users back to a working page on your site can greatly improve a user's experience. Your 404 page should probably have a link back to your root page and could also provide links to popular related content on your site. And then Google provides a 404 widget that you can embed in your 404 page to automatically populate it with many useful features. You can also use Google Webmaster Tools to find the sources of URLs causing not found errors. And then avoid allowing your 404 pages to be indexed in search engines, and make sure that your web server is configured to give a 404 HTTP status code when non-existent pages are requested. And avoid providing only a vague message like not found, 404, or no 404 page at all. Using a design for your 404 pages that isn't consistent with the rest of your site. So that concludes the presentation on SEO Website Navigation Basics Part 2. And this is William. I'll see you the next time. In the meantime, take a look at my blog site, wbweeksjr.com.